Hello viewer, we are using that shape. Change the color of the designs. There is another one. We will take the further shapes and designs here. Explore the different options. We are using it. Take it in the center. We are going to apply it over it. Add a paint on the all sides. Use the pattern stamp to cover up these shapes and make a random structure around it. We will use the paints here. Change the foreground color again. So there we